Hello everyone, welcome back to Fortune Fastlane. When it comes to graphic design, if they aren't into Photoshop, people are into Canva. With its recent rise, it is apparent that Canva is not going to IPO for at least 12 months. With a valuation of $40 billion, Canva is one of the world's most innovative startups. Investors are interested in knowing if an IPO will happen soon. Canva is a multi-billion-dollar graphic design platform that helps its users create shareable images, videos, and other multimedia. If you want to learn about the company's revenue or what conditions could signal the best investment time for Canva, then this video should give you some insight. If you want more of this content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Following a $2 billion valuation round led by T. Rowe Price with Franklin Templeton, Sequoia Capital Global Equities, Bessemer Venture Partners, Green Oaks Capital, Dragoneer, Blackbird, Felices, and Airtree participating, the Australian design software company has gained a double valuation in 5 months. Canva currently has a valuation of $900 million on the Forbes Cloud 100 list. The startup is heavily profitable, with its growing number of users continuing to result in increasing revenue. Co-founder and CEO Melanie Perkins says it's moving in the right direction. Not only is Canva profitable, but it is doubling in growth as well. With a revenue of $200 million, it's no wonder they can afford not to raise funds again. Along with that, Canva has been on the market for just a few years and had 3 billion monthly visits in 2018 alone. It's a huge vote of confidence in what we're doing and where we're going, Perkins says about being selected for the 2017 Forbes 100 Best Small Companies list. She believes that since they have enough capital, if the lights turned off tomorrow, they could sustain themselves as a company for a long time. The online graphic design company was founded in 2013. The company provides marketing solutions as a DIY service to individuals as well as enterprise solutions for large businesses. Anyone can create their own basic projects free of charge and in minutes. Canva's Freemium model allows this to happen. With a free plan that includes 250,000 designed templates, 100 plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics, 5 GB of cloud storage, and the ability to collaborate and comment in real time with your team, is so appealing you might have some difficulty understanding why Canva's paid plans are also available. Perkins, a Forbes 30 Under 30 alum, founded Canva in 2012 with partner Cameron Adams. After 2016, however, the company defied early skepticism and ended up as one of the world's most popular and fastest growing software tools. Canva's digital platform now includes videos, presentations, and live collaboration tools that make the product competitive with major players like Adobe. Perkins is optimistic about Canva.com as a new outlet for professionals to create websites that no longer need to be paper-based, as they can be designed on a computer screen. With over 800,000 templates and 100 million images of various fonts and photos, Canva has given its users more than 7 billion designs at this point. In recent months, there have been 120 new designs created each second. More than 500,000 users rely on Canva to create impressive projects. Companies like American Airlines, CBRE, Intel, Kimberly-Clark, and Zoom rely on the software for their marketing needs as well. Using a strong AI, these 3 co-founders now have stakes valued at $40 billion. The changes especially increase the value of Perkins and co-founder Cliff Obrecht, as Forbes estimates their stakes together would be valued at $6.5 billion. On contrary, Adam's stake would be valued at $3.2 billion only, with a 10% deduction for private holdings. Canva's strengths lie in making it easy to attract users to its paid plans. While it began as a free tool, it now offers tutoring, monthly subscriptions, and marketplace fees. Its freemium strategy helps to attract users who are then loyal to the company and able to monetize. On the record, the Canva creators say their goal was to build wealth, but now they're pledging to donate 30% of it to charitable causes. It's been strange when people call us billionaires, Perkins says in a blog post. We've always felt like we're just the caretakers of it. Canva plans on donating $10 million to give directly in an effort to raise awareness on the issue of hunger, and will increase its charity scale after that. It has become one of the most valuable companies in the world, and does its best to help the environment and local communities. They provide prints that all come with the company's permission. Canva is also one of the 70 companies who are committing to donating 1% of their stocks to charity, and Canva plants a tree for every order they take. They are now at 2 million of them since their inception. The big thing that we're doing right now is the step 1, says Perkins. Step 2, though, is absolutely essential for reaching the universal design target. Here are the major income sources of Canva. Canva Pro is designed for graphic design professionals. Businesses can use Canva Enterprise to streamline the design process. Stores and print websites offer any number of design solutions for creating, printing, and selling physical items. Prices depend on the type of product, where you order from, or what country the item ships to. Canva Print is also available to over 30 different countries. Design School is a collection of online and physical design, social media, and branding courses with free online courses, while physical classes start at $5. Canva Marketplace enables users to purchase premium designs sold once, with the revenue shared between the creator and Canva. For content sold in the Pro subscription, Canva keeps 50% of net revenues. As the end of 2021, Canva has over 60 million monthly active users in 190 countries, and 5 million paid individual users, out of which are 500,000 paid team users. 85% of the Fortune 500 are using Canva, as well as large corporations including Warner Music Group, HubSpot, and Duke University. Canva has experienced exponential growth in the last 3 years. In order to help teams collaborate, Canva was brought on board. Since the pandemic began, team adoption quadrupled in 2021. As the pandemic began in 2020, and Facebook was one of the first places people could get information on what exactly was going on, Canva saw a surge of mostly graphic designers utilizing their basic user interface to share out sentiments online. In year 2021, the company created a commercial solution to make it easier for teams to collaborate. Canva is a tech startup with offices in several major cities worldwide. In 2018, Canva generated $700 million in revenue. This represented a 3,900% increase in just 4 years, as the company's revenues jumped from $25 million in 2017. Canva is profitable with an estimated revenue of $25.1 million and a net profit after tax of $1.86 million during the first half of 2017. With investors like T. Rowe Price, SoftBank, and Sequoia Capital, Canva has been able to raise a total of $572 million from 14 VC rounds. In September 2021, Canva raised $200 million, bringing its valuation to $40 billion. This funding came just 5 months after its previous funding round that brought in $71 million and raised the valuation to $15 billion. Canva has increased in value and is now ranked 5th behind ByteDance, Stripe, SpaceX, and Klarna. Canva, the content staple company, performs incredibly well. It has seen breakthrough in its revenue growth, which is expected to continue over the coming years as it has created a user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and loyal user base. The international expansion of the site may soon justify its high revenue multiple. With current estimates, software companies trade on multiples above industry average. Snowflake, Atlassian, and Airbnb trade at 96 times projected revenue, 32 times projected revenue, and 14 times projected revenue, respectively. Most startups go public after their Series E funding round. Canva is already past that point, but it has not officially communicated its intent to go public in the US or Asia. However, its $40 billion valuation is sure to attract considerable interest should the company make an IPO announcement. In 2021, the IPO market pulsed with activity, helping companies be acquired for $10 billion and more. In fact, these numbers beat the record set in 2017. The time to invest in IPO startups is before they go public. In that timing, real money is made. Canva was officially launched in 2013 with CEO Melanie Perkins and COO Cliff Obrecht. She began the idea of Canva with Cameron Adams, who was then its Chief Product Officer, current co-CEO. Canva started to grow and diversify its business operations at a rapid speed. In their first year, they had more than 600,000 users. The company also expanded its reach to places like Beijing and Manila. As the years passed, Canva kept adding features that distinguished them from competitors as they kept expanding to new markets. Melanie even gained international fame with her diverse real person marketing campaign and won an award in the United States. She took a journey to get to Silicon Valley and began marketing herself as an Australian in 2016. In 2020, Canva raised $60 million, and the company's valuation went up to $6 billion. Perkins became an Australian billionaire with a net worth of $1.3 billion. People want to use Canva for graphic design because it's easy to use and doesn't require much in the way of design skills. They also find that the platform gives them many options when creating graphics. Even though Adobe is the leading software company in the world, with over $37 billion in revenue, Canva has a global user base of more than 30 million people in 190 countries. One of the rare stories in the startup industries is when Canva in 2017 posted a profit of $1 million on a $25 million revenue in just the first half of the year. Melanie and her team have made it possible to give access to more than 40,000 templates for their premium users. Cliff Obrecht was the longtime boyfriend of Melanie Perkins. He and Melanie together found their first startup, Fusion Books, and then Canva too. Both of them are known for their philanthropic work, and their earnings usually go to charity. After the two of them started traveling for kite flying events, Melanie developed a greater interest in traveling. Melanie Perkins is very proud of her work and wants to continue growing herself as well as her designing platform Canva. In her 30s, Melanie Perkins has been through difficult times and managed to make a lot of progress in such a short period of time. Both Melanie and Cliff have plans for happy and successful futures, where they jointly build Canva Inc. and help people with resources that are developed. Melanie believes that it's important for her community and connections to succeed, as she hopes to make small businesses into a global brand. With an easy-to-use interface, Canva allows any individuals to design. It has a free library of thousands of vector templates, fonts, and images that can be seamlessly dragged and dropped into their projects with just minimal manual input. Many designers now use Canva because it offers powerful tools very affordably. There's no intention of going head-to-head with leading apps like Figma, Adobe, and Sketch. The example Professor Perkins uses is the business card. Designers typically design their components inside of a dedicated design software and then place them into a template file that they can share with everyone in the company. By doing so, when someone changes their title or employee status, this organization can adapt to the new change without needing costly specialist help. We would like to replace PDF, says Perkins. Rather than people sending PDFs back and forth between the designer and the client, we'd rather have designers just create a template for organizational use. It's less important for us to be amazing at things like vector design, because there are lots of amazing programs on the market that may do things better. Canva was an early leader in the citizen entrepreneurship movement, where a bottoms-up approach is popular. It began as a free product and over time developed into enterprise products. Canva is a full-stack platform used by organizations like PayPal, Salesforce, Marriott International, and American Airlines. This website was set to reach $1 billion in revenue by 2021 with more than 500,000 paying teams. With a 2,000-person team and significant funding, Canva will use this to double their workforce in the next year. It shared that they have 42% of their workforce consisting of females, but they did not share any statistics around people of color. Melanie told TechCrunch that a good part of the company's growth has to do with their obsession over creating a highly valuable free product. Patrick Perkins, founder and CEO of CloudApp, talks about the benefits of a free product. It's important for our marketing and for our mission to empower people to design. But as part of our marketing, it means that people can love the product, share it with their friends and family, and promote it on social media. That rapid virality then makes us grow exponentially. Canva plans to launch website design in the coming years and expand the team, putting more resources into building out the product and launching a new service that can update presentations and designs. The recent capital round will help the company expand the staff, enabling an exponential number of users to experience the software's value. Canva has two main goals. The first is to become one of the world's most valuable companies, and the second is to do most good that it can do. The company has already joined the 1% pledge and has several efforts around being a force for good, including giving the premium product to more than 130,000 nonprofits, allocating more than 45,000 volunteering hours each year, and launching Print One, Plant One, a project that plants a tree for every single order placed through Canva. Perkins and Cliff are currently donating a majority of their equity in the company to charity, focusing on improving the world. That's it for this video, Fortune Fastlaner. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.